Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF file using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva, and first of all, we need to go to the upload menu right here. Go to the upload menu and you're going to upload your PDF file you want to edit. You can click on choose files right here, and then I'm going to go to the download folder and I'm going to select my PDF file. Wait guys, okay, I'm going to select this one, click on open, and we just need to wait for a moment until our PDF file has been imported to the Canva. Okay, this one. And here, after we have imported this PDF file, we'll be able to edit the PDF file. Okay, just click on the text you want to edit. Wait, I'm going to zoom in to make it easier. Okay, I'm going to make the text bold. Okay, and I'm going to increase the font, the text. Alright, just like this, and you can edit your PDF file according to your needs. And once you're done, you can click on share, and then you can click on download to download the edited PDF file. Okay guys, and that's how we can edit PDF file using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.